Guard dun sa front ulit. Guard
Usi
good.
po. Usi na lang.
Nag-lag ako.
Just food only, guys. Mas Gucci tayo sa kanila eh. Nandi hamak.
Oh, huwag niyo dalhin sa Zerg. Oh no.
Ayan, isang tanga si Snowfell.
Wala kang pots doy.
Kikita sa guild niya yun eh.
Ganito pala mag no? Yung mga namamatay nag-kick.
Ang mahirap mamatay ah.
Huwag pwede ako pa, Mark. Para hila ko ni Jeb.
Sa party.
Dito ako, nakamurp ako.
Sana yung panaiwan dito sa castle, di ko mabuhat lahat.
Yo, clear these guards here. Yo, look at this tank. Ah, never mind. Kill the guards here. Yo, careful, take north side. Yo, hatakin ko yung bird. One-shotin natin yung bird ah. Tayo mo.
El
Pero
Chapo,
kailangan hindi
northeast
siya
na.
makapag-channel.
Paki-watch yung sa northeast natin. Sa labas lang.
Start smashing. Yung Bisaya to, namatay lang ng ganun.
Akala ko naka-royal shoes ako. Pukong inang shit.
Careful. Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Southwest now.
Let's
Tama.
split tab. One na lang.
Come back.
Engaging,
Oh!
Egil, oh. Ang pulit pa na, sir.
Oh!
Kamatay.
Buti naman, mas maayos mo kayong mga DPS ngayon. Hindi kayo kasing tanga ng kagabi. Because that is... Clear the mobs here. Careful ah, careful.
Yeah.
Up engaging. Up
Yo, walk in. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng careful sa inyo? Walk. West side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side deep. Just hit west side deep.
Ako mamatay.
Come back sa
Careful lang, baka
Clear the
may
mobs first. Clear the guards east side. Yo, careful. They're gonna step up here. Careful. Kill the guards. They're gonna step up here. Ready your potion. Kill the guards. Wait. Careful. Spread. Ready to walk in. Ready your potion.
Dilookin.
Just wait. Yo, listen. Get ready. While they're engaged, jacket in, ah. Wait. Jacket in. West side deep. Get ready. West side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side deep. Deep. One shot him here. Ay, they're all dead. Kill them all. Yo, don't